The buses in India are horrible. Today it took 12 hours to go only 100 kilometers. The seats were really small and it was much too crowded. The bus broke down and we had to wait by the side of the road for a few hours. After an hour or so, the people on the bus started singing songs, to pass the time. And some of them were river dancing. They asked me a lot of questions about my family back home, and that felt good. Then some kids came by selling the delicious melon and crispy fried snacks. I've never tasted anything so spicy. I'm really looking forward to sleeping in my hotel room tonight. The bed is really soft and comfortable, and you can see the mountains from the window.